Hey guys, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. This video I wanted to go over the Monday credit spread that we did, the new service for Monday credit spreads. We did have the offer until Sunday at midnight, but I had a lot of messages for people that couldn't get in. They were on vacation and whatnot. So we're going to extend this out to July 4th. So if you want to enter, link is in the description down below. It's only $97 for a year, and you get a credit spread every Monday. So less than $2 a trade in order to enter these in. Let me show you the trade I did. So I took it on Google today. If you look at Google's price, Google's been consolidating at the 182 or so level. We sold, I'll tell you the sell soon. Notice the support levels at 174 here, another one at 172, and then it bounced off 170. So I was looking for a credit spread that was below all those strike prices. And we ended up selling a 165, 160 for 46 days out. Gonna sell the 165, buy the 160. I took in $58 in credit for this. I would look to get at least $50 in credit, possibly more on it. Some people are already getting $60, $61 on the trade. Notice how earnings are on July 19th, but the average days in trade has been 12 days the last year and a half on this. So there's a good chance we're going to close out that trade early. Again, you want to go to GOGL, not the GOG. GOGL, 46 days out, August 16th. Sell the 165, buy the 160. Try to get at least $50 on it. Might be able to get around 60 right now if you see this video right when I release it. So again, I'll be giving out these type of trades every Monday. Really cheap service, $97 for a year. You can also ask me any questions about how to do credit spreads and how to get consistent profits off credit spreads. So again, Lance from ThetaTraders.com. If you're interested, click like, share this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.